I just want to tell you the last in the first part I just said that 8th question is last question. No, 9th question is also there. Okay, so the 9th question is very easy. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to do the subtraction. Okay, so here let this one I have explained already how to do the multiplication of decimal number, but this I just want to revise before we solve the examples of 2.6 exercise. Okay, so multiplication of decimal numbers. Now first, how to do the decimal, multiply the decimal number. So here multiplication of a decimal by whole numbers. For example, if I take here 2.92 multiply by whole number, if I take here 5. Okay, here 2.92 multiply by 5. Okay, these things are there. So without decimal, you just as a whole number you just multiply them. So 5 2s are 10. Okay, 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 1 46. Okay, 5 2s are 10. Okay, 5 2s are 10 and plus 40. So this is our answer. Okay, after multiplying. Now how to put the decimal now? So in an example, after decimal how many places are there? That is 2. So from the answer, from the right side you have to count 2 places, 1 and 2, and then put the decimal. Okay, this way you have to do it. Okay, so this is the example for the multiplication of decimal by whole number. Any decimal number, if you are multiplying, so multiply as a whole number and then put the decimal where you have to put. In the decimal number you have to see that after decimal how many places are there. That places you have to count from the right and then you have to put the decimal. Okay, I hope you have understood what I have said right now. Now let's see how to multiply the two decimal numbers. Two decimal numbers, both numbers are decimals. For example, if I take here 3.42 and 17.95. Okay, so these are the numbers. Okay, and here we have to do the multiplication. So just multiply them as a whole number. Okay, as a whole number and then put the decimals. Okay, so 5 2s are 10 again. 5 2s are 10. 2 9s are 18. Okay, 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 15. Okay, 2 1s are 2 and plus 1 3. 4 5s are 20. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 2 38. Okay, 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3 31. 4 1s are 4 and 3 7. Okay, so the third number we have to take. Okay, so 3 5s are 51. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 1 28. 2 is here. Okay, 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2, that is 23. Okay, 2. 3 1s are 3 and plus 2, that is 5. So here 0 8 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 8 18. 1 again, 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 3 13. 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 1 11. And here we got the answer, that is 61380. Now how to put the decimal? Okay, so in the first example, after decimal how many places are there? That is 2. Okay, so count the 2, 1 and 2. Okay, second number, after decimal how many numbers are there? Again 2. So again means here is 2 decimal places are there and 2 decimal places are there. So 2 plus 2 4 means from the right side you have to count 4 digits. 1 2 3 4 and now put the decimal. So here we got the answer, that is 61.3880. Okay, this is the multiplication of this number. So we have learned that how to multiply the two decimal numbers. Okay, now let's see how to do the multiplication of the decimal by 10, by 100 and by 1000. So we have learned when we are multiplying any number with the 10. Okay, for example, if I take here 9.67 multiply by 10. So what here will do, that decimal point will shift from the right side, means one place शिफ्ट टू द राइट साइड. अगर यहाँ पे डेसिमल है, अगर मैं 10 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी ना, तो ये डेसिमल 8.8 प्लेस छोड़ के यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. सो हियर आवर आंसर विल कम, दैट इज 96.7. ओके, ऐसा हो जाएगा. दिस इज द रूल. हाउ टू डू इट? लेट व्हेन वी विल सॉल्व द एक्सरसाइज, दैट टाइम यू विल सी द मेथड हाउ टू डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. यू जस्ट रिमेंबर 10 के साथ अगर कोई भी डेसिमल नंबर हम फॉर्म करते हैं, जहां पे भी डेसिमल है वो एक प्लेस राइट की जगह छोड़ के, मतलब ये दिस इज द राइट नंबर. ओके, आफ्टर डेसिमल दिस इज द राइट प्लेस. तो ये एक प्लेस छोड़ के यहाँ पे डेसिमल आ जाता है. ओके, इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई द सेकेंड नंबर, इफ आई टेक हियर 18.354, if I multiply with the 100, okay, so here what will happen, that the decimal point move 2 place up from the right side. Here 1 and 2, okay, 1 and 2. so decimal यहाँ पे 2. 100 में कितने जीरो है? that is 2. तो यहाँ पे after decimal the decimal will shift after 2 places and here we'll get the answer, that is 1835.4. Okay, so if we multiply any number with the 1000, okay, any number with the 1000, suppose here I will take 9.3 and here I have to multiply with the 1000. Okay, so here I will got the answer, means now here see 9 after decimal there is only one 10th place is there, 100 and 1000 place is not there, it means there is a 0. Okay, there is a 0. So राइट से लेके यहाँ पे भी क्या होगा, सी हियर 0 zeros are there. Okay, so here 110 place and answer will come. Suppose for example, instead of this I will take another example here, that is okay, here I will take 13.419. okay, and here 1 I will take. Okay, so here will come 10,000 place is there. If I multiply with the 1000, okay, if I multiply with the 1000, now how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. It means this decimal will move 3 places from the right side. Okay, so here 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so here the decimal will shift to this side and our answer will get, that is 13,419.1. okay, ऐसा हो जाएगा. So whenever you are multiplying with the 10, 100 and 1000, remember जो भी डेसिमल है 10 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो डेसिमल से 10 की प्लेस एक छोड़ के वहां पे डेसिमल आ जाएगा. ओके, सो यहाँ पे एक प्लेस, यहाँ पे एक प्लेस, यहाँ पे 2 प्लेस और यहाँ पे 3 प्लेस छोड़ के डेसिमल अपनी राइट साइड से पोजीशन चेंज कर देगा. दैट वी हैव सीन ओवर हियर. इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन वी विल सी एंड सॉल्व द एक्सरसाइज 2.6 ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ऑल दिस थिंग्स. ओके, so students, in the first part I forgot to tell you that in this exercise 2.5 question number 9 is also there. So this question is, how much 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer less. So we have to decide here 28 kilometer कितना 42.6 kilometer से कितना कम है. So what you have to do is 28 kilometer you have to subtract from this one and you will get the answer. Okay, so here how you have to means arrange all this number. So 42.6 kilometer. Okay, so 28 kilometer, don't write 20 here like this. Okay, for the subtraction your answer will come wrong. Okay, because here if you see 28 is whole number, so you have to write below the whole number and then put the decimal and then nothing is there, it means there is a 0 and then subtract. Okay, so I told you how to do it, how to arrange the number. Now do the subtraction and you will get the answer. Okay, so here we have finished the exercise 2.5. Okay, so in the next session we will solve the exercise 2.6.